No, there's nothing wrong with it. If you look at where it's sucking, you need to unclip it, pull out the thing, take off all the hair and shit on the thing that spins around, right? Because right now it's just like a big roll, and it's not coming out. Like, it's not sucking anything, it's just spinning it in and then spinning it straight out. Pull it out, clean it, and then it should be fine. But I can do it when I get back in like an hour.
ということで、なんかこの掃除機は物を吸う代わりに今物を吹き出し始めたんですね。ということで、なんか一人で爆笑しながらルームメイトにこのなんか粉を吹き始めたの、掃除機が。でHi.
Did you watch the video?
I watched it and I was just trying to work out how to take this thing off. And I was doing a YouTube. How did this thing come off?
Alright, so Bella, look on the side. You see the button?
Yeah, this one. Ah, okay. Wait a minute.
No, you're right. Take the cap off. Yeah, keep going. It should pop down and come out. Come on, muscles.
I am pushing it down.
So you push it down. Come on, start coming out. Okay, and it comes out.
Yeah. Okay. I did.
Right.
I cut the hair here before I knew like how to.
So it's like this. Right. You push.
Look, listen. Before I knew this, I tried to like pull out the hair and I cut the hair. And I turned the vacuum cleaner on and all the hair blew out and it was like boom.
You call her banana. You know banana? Banana. Right? So, cap, come off.
ちょうどいいタイミングで。で、聞いてください。I'm gonna... Don't you know the emojis?
Nah.
Like, 聞いて。ちょっと聞いてください。このね。
Hey, do I look good for this one?
ちょっと聞いてください。What did you say this looked like? This emoji.
Breasts.
なんかね、前この絵文字を使ったの。これ、そしたらなんか父みたいって言われて。
You have two phones? What are you, drug dealer? Are you drug dealer?
No.
You do drugs?
No.
You have two phones?
Yeah. でね、今日この掃除機が物を吹き出したって送った時にこの絵文字を使ったわけ。そしたらって言われたの。で、なんか私が使う絵文字が全部なんか不適切って言われたの。っていうことで皆さん、日本の皆さん、海外でlike all the Japanese people use this kind of emoji. ということでね、日本の皆さん、
it looks exactly like it.
このね、絵文字を使ったら、あそこみたいって多分言われると思います。But I took most of it off. But it still didn't work.
Yeah, no. What? So when you do it...
Look in the bin.
No, I know. But when it's full, you do one snip.
Yeah.
And then you peel it off like paper.
Yeah.
And it comes all off in one sheet.
Yuck.
Get in my belly. Look at these mummy titties. No. For all the kids under 18, please do not watch what is. Just don't pay attention. Right? You will now return to your regular program schedule. Television show, podcast, YouTube, channel, blog, feed. The fuck do you call these things? Yeah. Internet.
ということで、はい。Okay, so is this gonna work?
Well, I don't know, you tell me. I just spent $500 on a vacuum cleaner for it to not suck. Here's one way to do a test if something doesn't work properly.
What if it doesn't work?
Well, then you have something to clean up.
saying.
There's a screw missing. That's what this is. This has been sitting here for 4.5 months and no...
But it was working like the other day.
Fuck, now I've got something to do. Okay. Right, well, I'm not going to say that that's...
We have to go to work.
What time do you start?
5.
Me too. What time is it? Motherfucker. Hey. You don't pay $500 on something and something doesn't work. There is always something wrong.
What? Is it... Oh, okay.
Alright, so... I need a...
Stick. Use the chopsticks.
Oh, Laura's gonna hate me.
Here's evidence.
This is not for German viewers. Alright. Alright. Look, I'll even clean out this shit. Ha! Fuck you!
But the
you may have to edit
floor
out, you have to edit out my swearing.
What's the shit part?
Shit and fuck.